students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to see about the general properties of plastic. But before going to the general properties of plastic, let us have a quick revision of what all things we have already studied in the previous classes. In the previous classes, we have studied about the introduction of plastic, that who invented plastic and in which year it was invented. Then we have also seen about the common features of plastic, that what all are the common features of plastic, its cheap price, its high durability, high tensile strength, that all things we have already seen. Then we have also seen about the two different categories of plastic in which the varieties of plastics fall in. The first one is thermoplastic and the second one is thermosetting plastic. Hope you all remember all these points that we have already discussed. Now in this video, we are going to see about the general properties of plastics. So without any further delay, let's get started. General properties of plastics. Plastics have become very popular in our day-to-day life, not because that we like plastic, but because of its own characteristics, its own properties. So the first property of plastic, which is very important also, plastics are non-reactive. Plastics are non-reactive. That means what? Plastics are having a very least reaction with any type of chemical substance. It does not react with water, it does not react with sunlight, it does not react with any of the chemicals also, and it has a very least corrosion rate also. That means the decay rate of plastic is very slow, so that it can remain for a long time, which increases its life period for a very long time. So the first important property of plastic is plastics are non-reactive in nature, and because of this property of their non-reactiveness, they have become a very good substitute for many various types of metals, glass and wood products. So in the place of metals, glass and wood products, nowadays we are using plastic because of this property, that it is a least reactive with any of the chemical substance, sunlight, water and all the other different natural substance. The second property of plastic is lightweight. Lightweight and durability. This is the second property of plastic, and because of this property of plastic, it is used in most of the household products, and it is also used in most of the industries also. You might have seen in the earlier times when we were having the medicine bottles, it were coming of glass, but nowadays that same medicine bottle is coming with a plastic cover. That means because of its lightweight and high durability, plastic has replaced most of the glasses and metals, and because of their lightweight and durable property, it is used in most of the cars, aircraft and even the spacecrafts also. You might have seen in the interior of car you are having a dashboard. That dashboard is completely made up of plastic, and it is a substitute of aluminium also. That means it is a substitute of one of the metals also. And you can also imagine if it is used in the spacecrafts also, means how much durable it is. The third property of plastic is its poor conductor. It is poor conductor of both heat and electricity. It is the poor conductor of both heat and electricity. That's why I have already discussed about the thermosetting plastics that were used for making electric switches and for making the handles of the kitchenwares, and also because of its heat resistant property, and it is having a high resistance towards electricity also. That's why it is a very poor conductor of heat and electricity both. So it allows plastic to be used in a wide range of household products. Because of its poor conducting property, it is used for making electric wires. You might have seen this electric wires which is surrounded with a plastic coating, and it is also used for making the handles of screwdrivers. You might have seen the screwdrivers are having a metal tip, and at the back of the metal tip it is having a plastic handle, which make it resistant towards the heat and electricity. So it is very user friendly for the users to use it. It is all because of its property of poor conducting of heat and electricity. These are the main important three properties of plastic. Other than this, there are some other types of plastics which are used for the different purposes. Now let us see those. Now we will see some other uses of plastic. In some other uses of plastic, it is having a very wide range in which the different types of plastics are used. Now we will talk about some of the fields in which plastics are used extremely. In the medical use, that means what? You might have seen all the different types of tablets are coated with a plastic coating. All the tablets comes in a covering of plastic. The bottles of the syrups are coming of plastic. And you have also seen the syringe, what the injection we get, that syringe is also made up of plastic. And the saline water bottles, the pipes, and the different varieties of medical products are made up of plastic because of its non-reactiveness towards any of the chemical substance. So it is a very good alternative for the glass or any of the wooden product to substitute with a plastic. So it is widely used in the industry of medical. The second one is Teflon. Teflon is that type of plastic which is water and oil resistant. Teflon is water and oil resistant. Teflon is water and oil resistance, and because of that it is coated in most of the kitchenwares, which is non-sticky cookware. What you say, non-sticky cookware, the pan you are having, because of its property of water and oil resistant, it is used to coat most of the non-sticky cookwares what we are using in our kitchens. And with the same, there is one special type of plastic, which is the third category. That is, there is one special type of plastic that is used inside the microwave also, that does not react with heat. The heat does not cause any harm to that plastic. It does not melt also, and it does not cause any harm to our food what we are cooking inside the microwave. So there is a type of plastic which is used inside the microwave also. After that, the fourth one we have, that is the melamine, that we have already discussed about melamine in the thermosetting plastic. That melamine is mostly used in the coating of fire suit. You might be knowing about the fire suit. Fire suit is that which is worn by the firemen for extinguishing the fires in the different areas. So those persons are having the suit which is coated with a melamine, which is a fireproof type of plastic. Its coating in the fire suit make it fire resistant for those fire persons. So students, this was all about today's topic. It is very short topic, that's only the general properties of plastic and some other uses of plastic we have covered in this video. In the next video, we will see about the plastic and the environment. What is the relation between the plastic and the environment? Is there any harm from the plastic to our environment, or it is good for our environment? That we will see in our next video. Till now, you will revise all these things, and before going, I am having some questions for you that you have to solve and you have to reply it to me. So here is the question for you. There is only one question for today, that is, write the general properties of plastic in detail. You just have to write all the general properties in full detail in this question. Hope you have understood about today's video. Students, as you know, it is a pre-recorded video. You can watch it again and again for better understanding, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. What you think about the wonder material plastic, that you can comment in the comment box below. Thank you.